Artificial intelligence is incredibly smart. It can write code, solve math, and even paint. But sometimes it gets things hilariously confidently wrong, like a cat with 5 legs. In the tech world, we call this phenomenon an AI hallucination. But why does a supercomputer make up facts like a toddler telling a story? To understand, we need to know how AI learns. It is essentially a pattern matcher. Large language models are trained on massive amounts of internet text and data. Their main job is simply predicting what the next word should be in a sequence. Think of it like the autocomplete on your phone, but on massive, turbocharged steroids. But what happens when you ask it a question it doesn't have the data for? Instead of just saying, "I don't know," the AI feels compelled to give an answer. So, it mathematically guesses the most probable next words, even if they form a lie. And the worst part, it delivers this completely fabricated answer with absolute, unwavering confidence. It seamlessly blends real facts with total fiction, making it very hard to spot. For example, ask it for a biography of a real person who isn't very famous. It might invent a whole history, giving them fake awards and non-existent books. Because in its training data, biographies usually contain awards. So it fills in the blank. Another major cause of hallucinations is noisy or inaccurate training data from the internet. The internet is full of satire, rumors, and conflicting information. The AI absorbs it all. It's the classic computer science rule: garbage in, garbage out. It learns our mistakes. Sometimes the models are over-optimized to be helpful, making them afraid to contradict you. It wants to give you an answer so badly that it makes one up to please you. So, how do developers fix this hallucination problem? They are working on several methods. One way is grounding, forcing the AI to strictly reference verified external databases. Giving AI live search tools allows it to check facts before it generates an answer. Technologies like retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, fetch accurate data to guide the AI's response. And human feedback during training helps teach the model when it is appropriate to say, "I don't know." But remember, hallucinations aren't entirely bad. That same unpredictability is what fuels AI creativity. It allows models to write fiction, brainstorm ideas, and generate novel art styles. You just shouldn't rely on that creative engine as an absolute source of factual truth. So use AI to explore and create, but always verify the facts yourself. Stay curious.